Santos po, potentials.com. Signing at our channel. Great day po to everyone who's watching us today. Friend, kung bago ka sa channel natin, please support our channel by subscribing. Anyway, it's already January, middle of January, pero wala pong katupusan ang mga gifts. Meron pa rin pong dumadating. Ito po. Ayan. Gift ni Erica and Daniel. Ayan. Finish yata natin to kaya nila binigay. Let's open our gift. Hindi yata na binigay. Ay, ito meron na pala siyang may box siya. It's an electric pressure cooker. Ayan. Tagal na po natin gusto magka-pressure cooker. Ngayon na po ako makita. Ayun po. It's an Hanabishi electric pressure cooker. Thank you, Daniel and Erica. Ayan po ang Christmas gift nila. Na late po. Na late ang delivery. Madaming balot. Pinotek talaga ng seal. Pinotek talaga. Thank you so much for the Christmas gift. Na-late din po ng delivery si Lazada. Yan po ang ating Hanabishi electric pressure cooker. 10 in 1. So, marami siyang use po. Ay, baba natin. Ayan po siya. It's an electric pressure cooker. Ayan, 10 in 1. So, sana may manual po siya para hindi pa natin natutry niya. So, busy pa rin tayo mga bibigay ko guys. Thank you, Daniel and Erica, for this beautiful electric pressure cooker. So, tignan natin, ano ba yung kaya niyang gawin. Ayan. So, rice, multi-grain, soup, meat, stew, steam, beans, chili, yogurt, porridge. So yan, marami siya, hindi lang pala meat. So, marami siyang use po. 10 in 1 siya. Ayan po. Thank you so much, Danielle and Erica, for this beautiful electric pressure cooker. God bless you. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much. Sa ating Christmas gift. Ayan, walang katapos ang Christmas gift po. Thank you so much. Mabigat siya, Niel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.